In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove suggested people on Messenger. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, once you opened up Messenger app, if you want to hide some specific person from the suggested, you can hit at these three lines, then hit at gear icon. After that, tap at privacy and safety, and at the very top hit at hidden contacts. Then you can tap on add and add any contact from our contacts list. I'm just gonna tap at hide contact, and that contact will be added to that list. And now I can move on to my chats, and as you can see, that contact is no longer showing me in that screen. And if for some reason you've changed your mind, in the same way you can unhide that contact from here. Also, if you want to hide all the suggested contacts, you can easily do so in one click. So to do that, just hit at three lines, get into settings, and then tap at phone contacts. So here, first off, hit at upload contacts, and if that feature is enabled, on my device it's disabled, you should turn it off. So you should stop syncing your phone contacts with the Messenger app. Once you did that and it says off, you can tap at manage contacts, and then all you have to do is tap at delete all contacts. That removes any of your previously synced contacts from Messenger app. And once you did that, Messenger app wouldn't be able to get access to your contacts, and it will stop suggesting you people. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Messenger tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.